Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy. The market is booming right now. In the past 24 hours, the market is up over 5.13% right now. Everything is doing very, very well. Top gainers in the past 24 hours, we have Request right here up about 42%. We obviously have our highest volume, which is going to be Bitcoin like usual. So Bitcoin up over 5.55%. Ethereum up over 7%. Cardano is booming at all-time highs, almost 13% higher. Binance Coin is up 7%. Now Cardano, we've talked about in the past 2 days, so if you missed out on yesterday's video, actually check that one out. We have Ripple and Doge up about 5.5%, 6% or so. Everything else is up about 10%, depending on which coin you're watching. But look at these graphs. Everything is green, 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 green. You don't see any red right there. Everything is on fire. Everything is moving right now. Altcoins are booming, and that's exactly what we like to see, right, guys? So smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 40,000 subscribers, guys. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description, and leave a comment below. What are you doing right now in the crypto space? Are you buying, holding, or selling? So let's get into it, guys. First of all, it's going to be Polygon, also known as Matic. So this one, doing very well. It's trading at $1.53 right now. It is up about 13% on the past 24 hours. In the past week, it's up 15.44%. On the 1 month chart, over 108% from lows down here of about 62 cents. It's over 100% profit already in the past month exactly, since today is the 20th. It's been on fire, I guess you could say. In the past year, this coin is up over 5,609% right here. Obviously, we had that all-time here at 268 in May. We're still pretty far away from that area, but we're still doing very, very well. We're at prices that we were trading here in May pretty much, before this boom that happened with all these green coins and pretty much altcoins as well. Market cap on Polygon, also known as Matic, is at around 9.7 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours at 1.1 billion. So Polygon, if you guys aren't familiar with it, is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions onto Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Now users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later they can withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. So this one is definitely one of those greener coins that had a lot of momentum here in mid-May or so, before the crash, pretty much when all that happened. And then we saw a huge crash in the crypto market, which also pulled down all of these altcoins down as well. And now we're finally seeing this recovery. In the past month, everything is up pretty much 100% or higher. Almost everything, obviously. It's not guaranteed that all of them are up, but most of these altcoins are up about 100% or so in the past month. And Polygon, I think it's just the beginning of it. I mean, market cap under 10 billion right now. It has plenty of room to grow in the future, and I would not be surprised to see this coin, trading at $4, $5 or so in the next, 5, 10, 15, 20 years. So Polygon, definitely want to add to your radar, guys. That's going to be our first altcoin that we're going to be adding to the list. Second altcoin, it's going to be Binance, so BNB. Yes, I know. It's not one of those fancy smancy little altcoins. It's one of the bigger coins. It's going to be Binance, which is at $430 right now. It is up 7.6% in the past 24 hours, so there's still momentum here to be made, even in these, higher altcoin, situations. So this one in the past week, 11%. In the past month, 53%. We saw lows down here of 255. So this one, not quite as good as the other one, obviously, but still from 255 to 430, that's about $180 gain, which is still insane in my opinion. In the past year, it's up over 1,764%. Now, Binance Coin is one of those larger cap coins, and this one tends to perform pretty similar to what Bitcoin and Ethereum do. So they don't go up crazy, extreme prices like these other altcoins where they go 50, 100, 200% higher in about a week or so. This one is a little bit more slow paced, but that's okay. We obviously always want to see these, safer coins, I guess you could say. It does this uptrend here. I mean, we saw highs of over $690 here in May. Obviously, we pulled back to about 260, consolidated around that area for 2 months or so, hitting lows, and then finally, we're seeing this uptrend right now. We're still trading at prices that are very, very nice. I mean, 72.7 billion market cap right now on Binance, 2.6 billion volume in the past 24 hours. This one is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount, obviously. So BNB, definitely one of those, coins to be watching, as we have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Binance Coin is definitely one of those coins that I would be adding on any dip, in my opinion, as well as it has, plenty of potential for growth in future, even though its market cap is a little bit on the higher side compared to some of these other altcoins that we're talking about. 10 billion, 5 billion, 2 billion market cap. This one is a little bit on the higher side, but still Binance Coin, very, very popular coin, and definitely one to add to your radar as well. And our third altcoin is going to be AAVE. So AAVE, another one of those green coins that we've talked about many times on the channel, up about 8.3% in the past 24 hours, trading at $409 right now. In the past week, it's up 4% as well. Past month, 71%. So we saw lows of about $212 and highs up here of about $448. From that low to that high, that's over 100% profit right there once again in the past month on AAVE. So AAVE has definitely been destroying the market. It's been doing very, very well. In the past year, it is up over 79,180%. And here at the all-time high that we saw at 670, this coin was up over 100,000% in a year. As you guys can see here, when it first started trading last year in October 2nd, this coin was trading at 52 cents. Now imagine, if you're going to like the corner store or something, for 50 cents you can go buy your bubble gum. Well, those smart kids, instead of getting that bubble gum, they bought some AAVE coin and, made $400 profit on this coin very, very easily. So would you rather have a piece of bubble gum, or would you get that $400 profit per coin? Insane return, obviously, on AAVE. It's just ridiculous how much it went up in the past year. 5.3 billion market cap. Market cap is very low, and the reason why it ran up so high is because the circulating supply right here, so the supply is very low, only 13 million coins, so there's, supply versus demand type situation, and that's why it popped on up higher. So this market cap was, very, very low, when it first started trading here at 50 cents or so. So that is the reason why this one popped so hard. Now AAVE, this one is an Ethereum token that powers AAVE, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Now depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while borrowers are able to borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable interest rate. So this one, it's an alternative pretty much to, your other cryptos. Eventually, I believe we're going to be looking more into these greener coins and ones that are better for our environment. And AAVE is definitely one of those coins on this list, as well as Polygon. And we've talked about Solana many times. Where's Solana? Let's take a look right here. Solana. So Solana is one of those coins as well that we've talked about, which is great for, everything else, mining it, et cetera, et cetera. And that's why, AAVE or Solana has been performing well as well. Look at here on a 1 month chart, almost 200% higher in the past month. So just like AAVE and, Polygon that we talked about right here, Solana is definitely, booming right now. Great returns, all-time highs right now, destroyed the previous all-time high at 55. We hit highs of about $80 here. So, Solana, AAVE, Polygon, all these coins are doing very well. They're in a greener altcoin space, obviously, and they're doing very, very well. I mean, obviously, we're going to have some that are going to outperform others, but in general, overall, these altcoins are doing very well and are great for their future. This one, very low market cap, only at 5 billion market cap still. This coin could still 10x and be at a 50 billion market cap, which is less than Binance, which we talked about here. So, 10x opportunity here in the next 10, 20 years or so, and you can make 10x profit. That's 1,000% profit on your return, which is insane. That means investing $1,000 right now could be worth over $10,000 in 10, 20 years or so. And those type of returns are insane in my opinion, because in the stock market you're going to be getting like 8 or 10% return yearly. So in about 10, if you take 10 years and you get 10% each year, you're getting about 100% return. Well, with AAVE you could potentially get maybe 10,000% if this was to happen this way. But that's obviously just a prediction. I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I'm just this is all for entertainment purposes only. So actually speak to your financial advisor before investing into any type of crypto space, because there's a high risk and high reward type situation when you're investing in the crypto space. So definitely do that before you invest. And as always, guys, those are just the altcoins we're watching right now. How is the rest of the market performing? Well, it looks like it's doing very well. Ethereum, like we said, up about 7.5%. It just started taking off here pretty much when the market opened on Thursday in the stock market, and continued to go out through the rest of Thursday, going here into Friday, trading at 3,200 right now. In the past week, up 6%. Past month, 78%. We went from 1,700 to 3,200. We're only about $150 away from making 100% profit on Ethereum, and this is one of the bigger large cap coins, and making 100% profit on a coin like this is insane. In the past year, 678%. And like I said here, we saw this boom and then obviously a pullback. And I said this was healthy, because if a coin just goes straight on up like it did here previously, just up, 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 it was way overbought. And then we saw a huge crash. Now, hopefully it's going to be a little bit of a slower rise going into the end of summer and potentially beginning of fall. People are going to be bored. They're going to be locked inside over the winter, and maybe more investors will start to, drop their money into the crypto space, and we'll see Ethereum back to all-time highs at potentially maybe 4,500 by the end of 2021. It's definitely a possibility. Anything can happen, so that's what we're going to be looking forward to. Obviously, 378.5 billion market cap, 20.2 billion volume in the past 24 hours. Ethereum definitely doing very well. Bitcoin doing well as well. It's 5.55% higher in the past 24 hours. We saw it go from 44,000 all the way here to about 47,000 or so. On the past week, up 6%, past month, 53%, and then obviously on the 1 year chart, almost 300%. Now, like we keep saying, Ethereum is definitely outperforming Bitcoin right now, pretty much double, the return that Bitcoin is returning, but that's still good. Bitcoin, slow and steady, can always win the race, right? So 887.6 billion market cap. We're getting closer and closer to that 1 trillion market cap once again. That's the big goal right now. Once we break through there, we're going to the moon, guys. We're not even going to, aim anywhere else. We're just going straight to the moon, rocket on up. So this one doing very well. And then we have Doge. Obviously, Doge, it's still, in my opinion, going very, very slow. Market is booming, altcoins are booming, but Dogecoin is a little bit lagging in my opinion. It's only up about 4.5%, and me saying only, that is a great return, obviously, still. Trading at 32 cents. In the past week, it's up 20%. Past month, 83%. And you might be saying, why are you saying it's going slow? It's made up 100% profit here from 16 cents to 32 cents. That's 100% profit, just like Polygon and, AAVE and all these other ones. Well, Doge usually goes up quicker. So this one, still a little bit underperforming in my opinion. Once again, if it wasn't for this bull market, Doge would have been, gone, in my opinion. It would have been under 10 cents by now. We would have seen the end of Doge. 41.9 billion. Props to anybody trading Doge, but in my opinion, it's just one of those coins that everybody's hyped up pretty much here in April that we saw, April and May, and it's never going to get back to those prices, in my opinion. I mean, you never know what would happen. We would have to make over 100% more profit on this one in order to get it back to the all-time highs, and I just don't see that happening anytime soon, but you never know. In the crypto space, anything can happen, so you guys leave a comment below letting me know, what do you think is going to happen with Doge in 2021? Is Bitcoin going to get back up above 50,000-60,000? Is Ethereum going to go to all-time highs by the end of 2021? I want to see, I want to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below, guys. And as always, if you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me, show some support, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are going to be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.